Hi, I'm Professor Adam Capellner. Welcome to Gradesly, a web app for teachers and students where teachers can organize grades for their classes, and students can see their scores, class standing, and projected final grade. Gradesly begins with the professor creating a Google Sheet where the columns represent student data, as well as assignments, and the rows represent students. Here is a class about 2/3 through the semester. A student logs on and chooses their school, chooses their class, and enters their ID and password, which was emailed to them at the beginning of the semester. They then see rich information about their class standing, their assignment and exam grades with rankings which is calculated in real time. They see detailed histograms and projected grades and class curve information. This helps the student understand where they stand. The amount of transparency is customized by the professor. For instance, in this example, the student does not see rankings, only the quintile they're currently in. The Professor Console features rich tools including customizing student display, creating a course curve, that is percentage A's, B's, C's, etc., which defines those projected grades, or using raw point cutoffs to determine grades. There is also a rich gradebook where you can see students in alphabetical order, registrar order, and the students rank from best performing down and worst performing up. You can see raw points, projected grades, and the number of times students are viewing their grades. This is a veritable bird's eye view for your course. Clicking on the Student button brings up the student view, replete with the student's detailed grade information. You can also email your class with one click, or email the bottom of the class with one click to remind them when you're hosting review sessions, for instance. The grade sheet allows for any number of assignments with numeric scores. There is an option to release grades to students or conceal grades from students, as well as the ability to weight the assignments any way you wish. And there's error checking if the weights don't sum up to 100%. Grade sheets are kept in a separate folder and given appropriate names automatically. And you could allow teaching assistants to edit only certain columns that they're responsible for grading. Using the Google Sheets app, you can enter grades on the fly from your smartphone. Upon completion of the class, you can check your gradebook and use the curve tool for slight modifications to final grades. This student may deserve an A-, for instance, so we increase the curve slightly, and then recheck. Once we're done, we can use the Automatic Grader feature. Grades are automatically entered and visible immediately to students. You can then download a spreadsheet of the grades, which produces a document you can upload to your school registrar system. Creating a new class is easy. Pick a department and choose a course number and enrollment size. A grade sheet is automatically created along with a default rubric, which can be modified to whichever assignment structure you wish. Once student information is entered, you can email all your students login credentials. Thanks for watching this demo. Gradesly is now free. Enjoy.